Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Khushi Agarwal, and for those who are new on my channel, let me very quickly introduce myself. I am a 3-time All India rank holder. I have secured an All India rank 1 in CS Executive and All India rank 21 in CS Professional and an All India rank 48 in CA Finals. This is the part 2 of how I secured my All India ranks. If you haven't watched the part 1 of how I secured my All India ranks, go watch it right now. I'll leave the link in the description box below. In the last part, I talked about 4 things which played a very crucial role in my academic success. Now let's talk about the 5th thing. It is your last day strategy. I firmly believe that no matter how hard you have studied all this while, what matters the most is what you are going to study in those last 1.5 days before the examinations. If you are unable to revise any topic in those last 1.5 days, there is a high probability of you not doing the topic right in case it shows up in the exams. So you should plan well in advance how to manage time and cover maximum things on the last day. The next thing is revisionary videos. So I think revision videos has played the biggest role in my success. The syllabus in professional courses like CA and CS is so vast that sometimes you feel like you may not be able to cover the entire thing. At that point, revision videos comes as a savior. It can boost your confidence on the days you don't feel like opening your books. Just put on your headphones and you are good to go. If it takes 2 hours to revise a topic by yourself, you can probably do it using the revision videos in an hour or so. Now the question is which revision videos to watch. There is so much content on YouTube nowadays. We have revision videos from the top faculties of the country. I will share which revision videos I used in my subject-wise strategy video. Although I feel everyone should choose the revision videos for themselves. I mean, which teacher you connect more with, from whom you are able to understand the concepts better. Now, talking about the next very important thing. It's writing at least 2 to 3 mock tests for each subject before the final examinations. Writing mock tests give you an altogether different kind of confidence. And sometimes this confidence is all we need to crack the toughest of examinations. We get to know if we are able to complete the entire paper in 3 hours or not, what silly mistakes we are making, and hence help us in improving our shortcomings beforehand itself. I personally never bought any test series or something. I used to solve the mock test papers given by ICAI or ICSI and then check it in a manner as unbiased as possible. Now, the next thing is taking adequate breaks. Studying is an absolutely tedious task and our minds tend to be exhausted very frequently. If you will not take adequate breaks, even if you keep studying for hours, your mind will not retain much and you tend to forget things much faster. Hence, I'd suggest that whenever you feel exhausted or unhappy, just close your books for a while and take a good break. You can probably listen to some good music or talk to your family and friends or just go out for a small walk. Trust me, it will increase your efficiency exponentially. Now, talking about the next very important thing. It's having adequate sleep. I don't remember sacrificing my sleep ever. Even during my exams, I used to sleep for good 7 to 8 hours, which I think led to increased concentration during the studies and increased the number of effective hours out of the hours I actually put into studying. Now last but not the least, in fact the most important one, pray to God every day. Tell Him what you want to achieve and that you are ready to put in your everything to achieve that. Because in the end, it's the universe who decides what we are eventually getting. We can do all that is possible from our end. Rest, leave everything upon the God and He'll take care of it. So guys, this was all for today's video. These were the 10 things I practiced religiously and they did show positive results. I hope you all liked the video. Take care and study well. Thank you so much.